Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we'll see how to create drop-down list multiple option in Excel Google Sheet. Let's go. We're first of all our Google Sheet. Go to our Google Sheet and where here is drop-down menu kit. Let's go. First of all, here is selected and go to data and data validation. Add rule. Here is just drop down. Let's go. We have basic option. Here is just copy option advanced. Yeah, just done. Where the select here is basic, mid-level, and advanced. Here is we just remove here. Where select menu and just click here. Here we just mid-level. We are different color sheet here, and also here is sketch or again the another drop down menu, data validation, add rule. First of all, but not deep level DevOps knowledge.
One level.
Now here is add button, just configuration and installation. Here we are drop down menu, select color. Now we are going to here select red, your favorite color, but I have selected done. Now just remove and select here all. Here is just where configure and drop down menu, but here is not sense because we are again drop down menu, data validation, yeah, just our basic print. Yeah, our color has sense. Here just we're select mid-level and horizontal. Thanks for watching. Well, next time another video coming. Have